What's up, guys, and welcome to the channel. My name is Jake, and this is Centsible Capital. I wanted to make this video to give you a little bit of a background about myself and kind of talk about what Centisble Capital actually stands for and what the plans are moving forward and what you can expect as far as content in the future. I personally have had an interest in personal finance as long as I can possibly remember. I remember picking up my first books about the stock market when I was around 12 to 13, and it's been a done deal ever since then. I went to school and got my finance degree, and I have spent my entire professional career at this point working in the financial services industry. I spent specifically around the past 5 years or so as a licensed investment advisor and a chartered retirement planning counselor. And I have worked with a lot of people from a lot of different walks of life. Everyone from, kids getting their very first job and just figuring everything out for the first time to CEOs with tens of millions of dollars in the bank. And through those experiences, I've really had a tremendous opportunity to learn not just about how money works in the markets and separating good from bad investments and things like that, but really delve into the psychology of money, why people feel the way they do about it, why some people are able to accumulate so much more than others. And specifically, I've been able to kind of narrow down over these years specific actionable steps that can be taken by pretty much everyone to improve their financial standing. So over those years, I helped a lot of people make a lot of money. But the thing was, I always felt like there was something else, right? I have this pool of clients I'm working with. My influence, my sphere of influence is somewhat limited, right? So I'm sitting back and thinking, how can I share this with a greater number of people and help those who don't have the access to an advisor that they need still learn something and still improve themselves every day and maybe get themselves out of the tough financial situation that they're in. Lo and behold, here we have Centsible Capital. The goal with Centsible Capital here is to cut through all of that noise and to help you achieve your financial dreams, whether it be paying off credit card debt, student loan debt, learning to invest for the first time, or becoming a millionaire. I want to get you there with each and every piece of content that I put out. So let's not waste any more time and get right to it. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and always remember to be sensible.